Hello, lovely. How are you feeling right now? Are you feeling stressed, anxious? Are you having trouble falling asleep? Are your thoughts racing? Well, I'd like to share with you a quick, simple, easy technique to help address all of those things, and it's called box breathing. Hi, I'm Dr. Lori, and I love teaching people practical tools that they can use to improve their mental health and start living their best lives. Box breathing is a quick and easy technique that you can use to reduce anxiety and stress. This is a technique that Navy SEALs use and professional athletes use in high stress, high pressure situations to help calm themselves down and increase focus. I use this technique myself and I teach it to my clients, and they find it very, very useful. I find it useful in my own life, and it's something that you can learn too. So, how does box breathing work? Well, when you are feeling anxious or stressed, what happens is that your sympathetic nervous system kicks in. So, when your brain perceives something that it interprets as a threat or potentially dangerous, it goes into fight or flight mode. And what that does is it's preparing your body. So your nervous system kicks in and prepares your body to protect itself or to protect you, either by fighting or fleeing away, or sometimes we also hear about the freeze response. But it doesn't have to be an actual dangerous, life-threatening situation for your fight or flight response to kick in. It can also happen in other situations like public speaking or being in a large crowd. So what happens when you're in one of those fight or flight responses? Now, I live in Southern California, and people who live there near the mountains, sometimes mountain lions come down and they'll see them walking through the neighborhood. So can you imagine being in your yard, working in your garden, and all of a sudden one of these big cats shows up? What would happen? What would change in your body? Well, your heart would probably start beating real fast. You might feel short of breath. You might get the shakes. You might feel dizzy or lightheaded. Your stomach might get upset. And you're going to hurry up and figure out a way to get out of there or just how to protect yourself. So as I mentioned, that kind of fight or flight response can happen in other situations that maybe aren't actually dangerous, but your brain somehow interprets them as dangerous. So notice that rapid breathing or shortness of breath is part of the fight or flight response. So when you engage in box breathing, what you're doing is you're sort of tricking your brain into calming down, right? So rather than, and this can happen when you feel anxious or stressed, right? You might notice that your breathing gets more shallow and it might get more rapid and shorter. And so with box breathing, you are taking control of that breathing, and in that way you are calming your system, calming your nervous system down. Breath work is one of the foundational techniques of mindfulness, and there's a lot of research that shows both the physical and psychological benefits of mindfulness. So let's try it. Now get comfortable wherever you are. If you're sitting in a chair, you can get comfortable there, or if you're lying in bed, you want to lie down, you want to sit up, whichever is most comfortable for you. And if you want to close your eyes, you can do that, or you can also just stare straight ahead or just focus on an object that's directly in front of you. So what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in for a count of 4, hold it for a count of 4, breathe out for a count of 4, and hold it again for a count of 4. So let's try that together. You ready? We're going to breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold it, 2, 3, 4, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, and hold it, 2, 3, 4. Now while you're doing this, you can do exactly what I was just doing with my finger, but you can imagine yourself drawing a box. So as you go up one side of the box, you're breathing in for 4, you're going across the top of the box, you're going to hold it for 4, You go down the other side of the box, breathe out for 4, and then you hold it again at the bottom of the box for 4. So let's try that again. You ready? Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. And hold it. 2, 3, 4. Now let's practice doing this together, doing the box breathing. So again, make sure you're comfortable wherever you are. If it's in your chair or you're lying down, if you want to have your eyes closed or you just want to fix your gaze on something directly in front of you. Here we go. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and hold it. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, and hold it. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, and hold it. 2, 3, 4. Now, if at any time you start to feel lightheaded, just stop and go back to your regular, normal breathing. Because we don't want you to faint. So if you start feeling lightheaded, just stop, go back to your regular breathing. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. And hold it. 2, 3, 4. Let's keep going. In. Keep counting. As you continue the box breathing, feel the calmness spreading through your body. Feel your heart rate slowing down. Feel your mind clearing. You are in control. You are calm. You are relaxed. As you continue to breathe, feel the weight of your feet, whether they're on the floor or whether you're laying on the bed. Feel your body and the weight of your body. Just feel that sensation of the weight of your body as you continue to breathe and count. Feel the sensation of the air on your skin. Feel the air as you're breathing and it moves in and out of your lungs. You are in this present moment. And right now, this moment is all that matters. Feel the breathing. Feel centered. Feel focused. Feel calm. Go back to your regular, even, slow, easy breathing. Just your regular breathing pattern. Just go back to that. Feel yourself just normally breathing in, breathing out. And notice, how do you feel? I hope that you're feeling more relaxed, more grounded, more centered. If you want to come back to the present moment. If you have your eyes closed, you can open them up. If you want to sit up a little bit straighter. Physiologically, box breathing has many benefits. It can improve your breathing. It can lower your blood pressure. When you're breathing in, you're increasing the oxygen in your lungs, which then increases the oxygen in your bloodstream and in your body. And that extra oxygen to your muscles can help your muscles relax. That extra oxygen to your brain can help clear up the brain fog and help you focus. As I mentioned, psychologically, box breathing can help you feel more centered and feel more grounded. It can help you feel less stressed, less anxious, less depressed, less fatigued. So practice it. Find a mindfulness moment every day to just do a cycle or two of box breathing. I do it and it helps me. And as mentioned, box breathing or just any kind of breath work is a core foundational part of mindfulness. And as mentioned before, there's a lot of research that demonstrates the benefits of mindfulness both psychologically and physically. So why not make this part of your regular routine? And if it was helpful for you, it might be helpful for someone else as well. So feel free to share it. And if you want more practical techniques about improving your mental health and living your best life, click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Because I want to help you improve your mental health and start living your best life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.